Hello everyone. So in this video, today I'm going to show you a library which will help you to animate your list with a single line. Let me give you an example, and the website is called AutoAnimate. So this is with the native JavaScript. As you can see, there is no animation. We don't even know what's moving up or down. But with AutoAnimate, you can have animation just like this with a single line of code. Even adding animation is pretty cool. The sort, which randomizes the thing, and the removing animation is pretty cool as well. So it's usable in React, Vue, React, Angular, and there are lots of examples available here. As you can see, if I randomize, there is an example for cards as well. Let me just add a card. If you want to randomize these cards, it has a pretty sick animation, right? They have an animation for accordion as well. If you click on this, it's a pretty sick animation. They even have animations for validations, right? So to use this, you just have to, if you're using this into React, you just have to install it. I'm using npm, so I installed it this way. Let me show you an example. So what I have is, I just have a simple component. I'm using material tailoring for React for the buttons. There are 3 buttons. One is for add, one is to enable and disable animations, and there is a list. So let me give you the example first. So this is the list. If you see, if I add a number, it comes with a pretty nice animation, right? And if I disable the animation, this is how it will look by default. This just pops up. Now if I enable the animation, see, this is the animation which I'm talking about. So to add this, you just have to add one line. You just have to import use AutoAnimate hook, and this will give you 2 things. One is parent, and if you want to use enable and disable animation, you can use this. Now just wrap the parent element with ref and this parent keyword. Now this is enabled your animations just like this. Just need one line, pass the reference to your parent. And how I implemented the enable and disable animation, it gives us a function as well, so we can pass true and false. If you want to enable the animation, you have to pass true, and by default it is true, so you don't have to do this. I've just done this to show you the example, and this is what it looks like. It is pretty sick, right? So go ahead and use this into your projects, and there are lots of examples available here. It even supports vanilla JavaScript to use this. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.